Sunrise over Playa del Carmen, golden fire across the bay. The draw rises with the morning to show the truth again today. Sargassum on the current, moving closer to the shore. And every day we wait, the beach keeps losing more. The crews can clear the shoreline, the tractors can return, but cleaning after landfall is a lesson we should learn. Put the right boats in the water, send the Sarga boat today. Let the Sarga trailers carry every heavy load away. Set the barriers in half moon, anchor deep and hold the line. It's Stephanie, a player needs you. This is the moment, this is the time. Put the right boats in the water before it reaches land. Save the blue and player, save the sea and sand. Straight lines drift and separate when the wind and current turn. Sargassum gathers at the barriers while the shoreline waits to learn. The boats we have move slowly, their narrow belts fall far behind, and what should be removed offshore ends up on the coastline. There is a better answer, there is a stronger plan, built for open water, built to protect the sand. Put the right boats in the water, send the Sarga boat today. Let the Sarga trailers carry every heavy load away. Set the barriers in half moons, anchor deep and hold the lane. Stephanie, a player needs you. This is the moment, this is the time. Put the right boats in the water before it reaches land. Save the blue and player, save the sea and sand. Every 25 meters, let the anchors hold below. 1 meter deep beneath the surface, so the sargassum cannot flow. One trailer fills and moves away, one connects without delay. The Sarga boat keeps collecting and the system works all day. One boat and 2 trailers, 2 kilometers can defend. This is not another cleanup, this is where the damage ends. Put the right boats in the water, let the real solution start. Send the Sarga boat through the current, put the right tools at the heart. Let the Sarga trailers keep moving, let the barriers guide the sea. And Stephanie, make the decision, give player what it needs to be. Put the right boats in the water, let the future touch the sand. Save the blue player, save Playa del Carmen. The drone comes down at sunrise, but the message still remains. Put the right boats in the water before tomorrow looks the same.